Hi, this is Claudia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'd like to talk about neurogenesis and your brain. Neurogenesis is just the process of the neurons making brain cells to form a healthy brain. It begins during pregnancy and it peaks in its second trimester. And after birth, neurogenesis continues. And research has found that during the middle age, neurogenesis tends to slow down. It doesn't replace the neurons in the cells as quickly as it did in your earlier years of life. So once you reach middle age, neurogenesis begins to slow, and it can cause some memory loss, some decline in the process of thinking, your writing skills, you maybe could find that. The good news is that you can, in your senior years, increase the neurogenesis on your own. There are some studies and research finding that there are different things that can affect the neurogenesis in your later years. And I've included one of those studies in my video that'll follow. And hopefully you can watch that all the way through. And it talks about how environment can affect a healthy brain and increase the neurogenesis. And his study was done on mice. And he had two cages. One, the mice continually moved in the wheel. And then the other set of mice, there was no activity. And the improvement of the brain in the mice for the activity was dramatic for a healthy brain. So this proves that your environment has a lot to do with neurogenesis. So you as a senior can do those kinds of things. So you want to eat healthy fruits and vegetables and lean meats. And you want to do exercise, you want to increase your skills in different things that you can learn. The internet is open to things that you can read on and educate yourself, and do a daily walk every day, get a little schedule down, and that will help with a healthy brain. And it has been proven in studies that activity in the environment does help you improve your neurogenesis in your brain. And what you would like to prevent is memory loss. I know a lot of times we feel like, we forget where our keys are or where our purse is, and you wonder, oh gosh, is that just something setting in? We kind of worry about dementia today also. It runs in my family, so I'm very concerned about it. So I have found that being active in any way that you can keep your mind active helps with increasing the neurogenesis. And the studies and the research shows this. So it's a great thing if you can incorporate that into your lifestyle. Reading, taking up an extra skill, gardening, doing a little bit of exercise inside the home or outside walking. Anything that you can do to keep your brain stimulated is going to help with the neurogenesis process. And you may not have that memory decline, and you may be able to improve your memory over time also with this. Statistics show us 40% of people over 65 have some loss of memory impairment. So if you're in your senior years and you're interested in slowing down your aging in your brain and want to keep your brain healthy, and if you watch the video, I pointed out 5 things that you can do to keep your brain stimulated, keep it healthy, and increase your neurogenesis in your brain. And that might just help prevent you from going into dementia. That's a concern for me and my family because it runs in my family. I am one of 5 girls. I'm in the middle, and my baby sister is in late stages of dementia. And it's sad to see that happen. So if there's any way you can prevent your brain from deteriorating from lack of neurogenesis, it is such a good idea to try and take some steps forward to keep your brain activated and busy and reading and doing anything you can think of to keep it active. And that will help you. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you watch it all the way through and get all the points down. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to put them in the comments and I will get back with you. So enjoy the video, and thank you for watching.